All right, so thank you everybody for taking the time out to watch this, and hopefully it will give you some great ideas. And if it does, um, you want to reach out to your beauty consultant and let her know what you would like. And I'm telling you, you will make her day if you do that. So let's just start with skincare. It's kind of the basis of Mary Kay's product line. And we have 6 skincare lines. I have 3 of them that are packaged up right, that Mary Kay packages up for us. And let me start with the one that I use. This is the Time Wise Repair, and it kind of looks like a present. How nice at the holiday time. So it comes with a little instruction on about the products and order of application. And isn't this pretty? So it's a cleanser, it's a lifting serum, a cream for the day, a cream for the night, and an eye cream. And that is a beautiful set. Mary Kay does have 2 anti-aging skincare lines. That one is geared for women over 50, and it's best if you have normal to dry skin. Then there's another set, which is another anti-aging set, and that's more geared for women between 20 and 50. So if you want to get somebody a beautiful gift that can start on really easy, good skincare, this is a great set. And if somebody is over 50 and they wash their face with soap, this set is just perfect. She's going to see a difference anyway. It's got a cleanser, it's got a cream for day, a cream for night, and a eye cream. All right. And the other one that Mary Kay packages up for us in a little box is the Clear Proof. And that is if you have anybody in your life that is acne prone, that is a great, that's a great little gift. And speaking of acne proof, on the Clear Proof line is a charcoal mask. That's a really good present. I have something, excuse me while I get up. And you take any little product and put a little bow on it, and then all of a sudden it's a beautiful present, right? So this could be a great stocking stuffer. I love to put it in with the little applicator so you don't get your fingers all charcoaly. The charcoal mask takes away all kinds of impurities. Great little present. And this was a limited edition that Mary Kay did, and it's a hydrating mask. And I did this with one of our beauty consultants. She's on today, Cindy. And oh my God, we laughed like crazy with her customers because these masks make you look really crazy. But boy, when you take it off, our skin was so smooth, right, Cindy? Oh, I think she's muted. So, okay. So anyway, so that's the skincare. Those are some skincare items. We have tons more. And the thing I really want to stress today is that when you are dealing with your Mary Kay beauty consultant, you can create the kind of gift you want to do. So we have lots of skin supplements that I'm not going to talk about today. I think if I talked about all of Mary Kay's products, I'd have you on this video for 2 hours. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just talk about another Mary Kay favorite though. This is our eye makeup remover. You just shake it to get it to use it properly. And again, just put a beautiful little bow on this thing and it makes a great stocking stuffer. And I've been told by many people that have tried many other eye makeup removers, this is the best on the market. And I love it because I can put it on and actually read after I have taken my eye makeup off because my eyes aren't all blurry. All right. So now let's talk about a few limited edition things, okay? This is a silkening dry oil, and I'm not even sure what the scent. Oh, it says Peaceful Garden. And the sad thing about not doing in person is that you don't get to smell it, but it's fresh and wonderful. And it's just really great when it gives your skin moisture and a little bit of shine, so it's a little sexy. So this is a great thing to do after you get out of the shower. And then this is a great little gift item. It's the masking minis. And so one of the masks is the pink clay mask, which is really makes your skin just feel really super soft. All right. And the other mask is the charcoal mask. So that's a really great little masking mini set. Wait a minute. No, that's not the charcoal mask. This is the mask for it's for more moisture. It's the gel mask. And I call that the lazy girl mask. So you can wash your face, put your moisturizer on, and put that mask on and go to bed. And then when you wake up in the morning, you'll have forgotten, of course, that you masked, and you'll go, oh, my skin feels so soft this morning. That's why. Okay, now this is, if you're a makeup person or if you're looking to gift a makeup person a little present, this is adorable. And it is a little sponge, you know, so when I love sponges because they go into like little things like here and it just really blend, it gets that point right into where you can really blend very nicely. And I just think that this contouring brush is divine. Look at this. It just follows the line of your face because of the point, and it's just a great way to apply contour colors. So this little contour thing, and you know, I'm a bad beauty consultant. I didn't even look up to see what the price of that was, and I can't remember it. So you can ask your beauty consultant or me. I think it's like, it's not very expensive. And these are also great. These are lip shines. All right. So this one is great if you are a neutral kind of person. So this is sort of a nudie color. And it looks a little pinker on the video than it's actually more brown. And then this is more pink than this is really like a darker brown. So let me just show you these two here. Those are neutral, and it gives you a really nice shine, and the lipstick stays on. If you're bright, if you like brights like me, this is your set. All right, so this is, and also if you wanted to separate this with a candy cane and a little bit of chocolate and a little baggie, again, beautiful stocking stuffer. All right. Okay, so let's move into some, now Mary Kay has an entire thing of fragrance. So, you know, talk to your beauty consultant on what kind of person that person is. And even without smelling, you can determine what kind of scent would be great. And if you're close enough in person, go over and sniff some stuff. So this is the men's perfume set. And I'll show you what it looks like because I have the woman's already opened. This is what is inside. So these vials are great. I have one of these vials in my purse, and it's super because it doesn't take any room in your purse. And you've always, so if you like, I want to have a little fragrance, that's really nice to be able to do that. And again, if you want to buy a set and you have 3 daughters, how cool is that to give each of them one of these and maybe put it in with one of these. So that would be a fun little stocking stuffer too. Just love being able to create my own presents and curate my presents, right? Okay, so this was really funny. Mary Kay has done these men's hair and body washes for years, and for years I never sold them. And I was saying that it was the dumbest idea in the world because I never sold them. And somebody else that was a beauty consultant in Vermont said, are you kidding, Nan? I sell gobs of them. I said, well, share your secrets. That's one of the really cool things about Mary Kay. We are really very generous about sharing our ideas. She goes, Nan, a woman would never wash her hair with what she washes her body with, but men go, she says, men are much simpler. And they just go, cool. I get to have one thing that I can wash everything with. So this has 2 scents. And it has the True hair and body wash, and then the Ocean hair and body wash. So this one's a little bit more sophisticated. This smells like fresh air. They're beautiful. So if you have 2 people in your life that you want to give it to, you can separate them. Or for that man that wants to have different kinds of choices, this is a beautiful thing to have in the shower. All right, so this is a really fun idea. Mary Kay package. Now, for the person who doesn't want to curate their own box, you can do this beauty box. And what's in the beauty box is it's Lash Love Fanorama. which is it's one of my favorite mascaras Mary Kay makes. Has a place to just place on your, the wand is 3 different shapes. So you put the mascara on, then there's a little pointy thing. That's where you get the little edges. And then the end that's closest to the wand is what you smooth out all the clumps with. So that's a great mascara. Then it has, we have a liquid eyeshadow. These are so great when you just want to apply really quickly. It comes with a little thing like this, and you just put a little bit on your lower lid right here. And every time you blink, you're going to give everybody a beautiful shine. So that's a really nice little gift. Now I've been talking about this charcoal mask. The charcoal mask is in the box. And then there are eye patches on our line. They come the jar comes with a set of 40. And if somebody wants to check it out and see if they like it, in the box are 2, things that you can do to have your own like spa experience to see if you like it, to get a bigger box of it. So that is the beauty box. And I believe it's in the 40s, and you save about $10 in by buying it as a box rather than separately. Okay, so I cannot do a Christmas presentation or any gift giving presentation without talking about satin hands. Mary Kay is famous for it. Whoops, I have one too many things in here. Okay, this has 3 products in it. Okay, this is the hand scrub. It's got a little bit of scrubbies in there. And don't worry, anybody that's concerned about the environment the way I am, all of our beads dissolve in the waterways, which is Mary Kay is really on it when it comes to our environment. You start with this very, very thick cream called hand softener. It almost has a Vaseline sort of consistency, but doesn't smell like Vaseline. It's just delightful. And then you wash it off with this, and then you finish with a hand cream. Now, on our regular line, Mary Kay has white tea and citrus, which is a very, very light scent, and then fragrance free, of course. And for the holidays, this is pomegranate, and I love it. It smells great. If you like fruity smells, that's really great. So here's another thing that I think is just really divine. Mary Kay has, at just Christmas time, they have their foot and leg treatment. I have this, it's a little green tube about, yay high. And I have that by my bedside. So I put it on my feet every night before I go to sleep. And it just is nice. It sort of gives your feet just a soft, silky feel. And then you can and then what this present comes with are these really plushy, soft socks. Can you see how soft and plush they are? And that makes it a great present. This is also a great teacher present, I think. And the cost is $15. So that's a great stocking stuffer as well. And then I love this hand cream present. So there is a hand cream inside of this box, all right, and some gloves. And I like this because this has a little texting thing on the finger, so you can text with your gloves. And that's a great little present. So again, customizable. Mary Kay has these compacts that are divine. And I'm going to start with the smallest one. And this is our, I think it's called a mini. And it carries 4 eyeshadows. All right. And you can choose what eyeshadows you want. And if you're really simple and you just want 1 eyeshadow color and a blush, it also would fit 1 blush and 1 eyeshadow. So that's a really fun idea. And you could go purples, you could go grays, you could go, like a mauvey pinks, you could do browns, you can do, all metallics, whatever you wanted to do. And then if you want a little bit more glamour, this compact, Mary Kay one time hired a mathematician to figure out how many combinations. It was literally millions of combinations you could do with this compact. Okay, so what this is, my light is kind of like, there we go. it's kind of washing it out. But I have it filled with 3 eyeshadows, a blush, and a pressed powder. You can do 6 eyeshadows and 2 blushes. You can do 3 eyeshadows or 6 eyeshadows, a blush, and a contour color. You just can go on and on. So talk to your beauty consultant and find out what she has, and you can create your own little compact. I just think this is beautiful. I also love this as a bride's gift. So if a bride is getting her makeup done, and then the bride can give all of her bridesmaids this as a gift. It's super ideal. So, and then there is the big compact. I'll show you. I'm a really great bow maker, but this would make a really great present. So if somebody has a couple of these, or you know that there's somebody who loves to get color all the time, this is definitely the big custom compact is the big one, the best idea. And you could give somebody this custom compact as a gift, and then in it you could have a gift certificate so she can fill it later with your beauty consultant. And I'm going to show you mine. It's really messy, and I use all my colors till the very last minute. So you will go, ooh, but I just want to show you how handy this is. Okay, so I have 2 colors of Mary Kay's cream to powder foundation that covers like dark circles, and I have some sunspots over here, and that's what those are for. So when I'm this is my skin color, and this is more of a highlighting color. I have 3 blushes, I have a bronzer, and the rest of these guys are eyeshadows. All right, this fits into my suitcase or a pocketbook, like so tiny and so skinny. All right. And I didn't pull out, that's so silly. Mary Kay does a brush set in a little case, and it has 5 brushes. The price is $58. It's so inexpensive. You go downtown and buy one of the brushes. This comes in the brush set, the all over brush. It's $55 just for this at one of the makeup stores downtown in Burlington. So that's a great buy. And I'm going to finish with a little bit of body care. So Mary Kay does a shea butter wash. So that comes in this shape. This is really washed out. I apologize. Here we go. There we go. So it comes in a body wash, a scrubs, and then it has a body lotion. And if you like luxury, you can do the what do they call it? They call it a mousse, a body mousse, and this is delightful. So if you like, you know what I love about jars? You can scoop out to the last drop. There's never, you don't ever have to have, and then when it's empty, you can put stuff in it, like rubber bands or hair things or some jewelry, some stuff like that. And the last thing, I am a big fan. The Satin Hands comes with a scrub. This doesn't have a scrub, but I love this. It's fragrance free, and it just makes my hands so soft. This is the cleanser for you can use it for body or hands, and this is a great thing to keep your hands nice and sanitized, and it make a great present because they're packaged in the same box. So this is a sanitizing hand spray. So I went over all of my gifts that I have out. There is tons more. Let's get together. Let's create. So either text or email or call. I actually answer my telephone. So I'm so glad that you got a chance to see a little bit of what Mary Kay has to offer. And I'll look forward to hearing from you. Let me just stop the recording right